Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Shopify to Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to have some integration with your Shopify store so you can be able to integrate or connect your Instagram to your Shopify store. So basically, we need just to go to this apps panel here in the side menu. You click on apps and then you will see app and sales channel settings. By clicking on that, we will need just to go to the Shopify App Store. After this, we will need just to go to the Facebook and Instagram application. And of course, it is the Meta verified integration. You click on install, and after that, we will need just to wait for the application to be installed successfully. We will need just to click on the install button, and now the application will start installing in our store. After finishing the installing process, we will need just to start connecting our uh, accounts. So we are just going to click on get started. You connect your account, and of course, you will need to set up your account first. I'm going to click on connect account. And from here, you will need just to connect your account, confirm account, and then you will start being able to connect in your Meta account with your Shopify store. And that would include Facebook and Instagram both. And by that, by clicking on confirm, you will be able to start um, relying or connecting the products from either your marketplace in Facebook or Instagram, and then add them in your Shopify and start redirecting the traffic. So simply, this is the way how you can add in your Instagram to Shopify. Thank you for watching. See you next time.